How to export edited audio from AudioMass. First of all, make sure you have finished editing your audio before exporting it. Next, look to the top left corner of the AudioMass interface and click on the File menu to open the drop-down list. Then, select Export from the options. This will open a new window with several export settings to customize. Now, type in your file name. You can choose the audio format you want, such as WAV, MP3 or FLAC. WAV and FLAC offer high-quality lossless audio, while MP3 provides a smaller file size with some compression. After selecting your preferred format, adjust the bitrate if available. A higher bitrate means better audio quality but results in a larger file size. Once your settings are ready, click the Export button. AudioMass will process your audio and prompt you to save the file. Choose the location on your computer where you want to save the exported audio, give it a name, and click Save to confirm. Your edited audio is now exported and ready for use. Remember to export regularly if you want to save different versions of your work. And that's it. Now you know how to export edited audio from AudioMass. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.